The maxilla defines your attractiveness, forming the major support to the facial aesthetic profile. Before we get into techniques, let's talk about the maxilla. The maxilla is the upper jawbone. It plays a crucial role in the shape of your face, supporting your upper teeth, cheeks, and even the nasal cavity. When the maxilla is properly positioned, forward and slightly upward, it enhances facial harmony and gives you that strong, defined look. But if it's recessed, it can lead to a flatter profile and even breathing issues. So, how do we influence its growth? Let's find out. Second, how breathing affects facial structure. Did you know that the way you breathe can reshape your face? Breathing through your nose encourages proper tongue posture, which supports the maxilla and promotes forward growth of the jaw. On the other hand, chronic mouth breathing can lead to a long face, a recessed jaw, and even poor posture over time. So, if you're a mouth breather, it's time to retrain yourself to breathe through your nose. Trust me, it's a game changer. Third, what is mewing? Next up is mewing. This technique, made popular by Dr. Mike Mew, involves maintaining proper tongue posture. Here's how you do it. Rest the entire tongue gently on the roof of your mouth, not just the tip. Keep your teeth lightly touching. Close your lips, but relax your facial muscles. This constant pressure from the tongue helps guide the maxilla upward and forward over time. It's subtle but incredibly effective if done consistently. Fourth, thumb pulling. A controversial technique. Now let's talk about thumb pulling. This is a less common technique where you use your thumbs to gently pull forward on your maxilla. The idea is to apply light pressure to encourage forward growth. While some people swear by it, there's limited scientific evidence to back this method. So, if you're trying this, be cautious and consistent, but don't overdo it. Combine it with mewing and proper breathing for best results. Fifth, consistency is key. Remember, achieving forward growth of the jaw isn't an overnight process. It takes time, consistency, and patience. Incorporate nasal breathing, mewing, and possibly thumb pulling into your daily routine. And don't forget to maintain good posture and a healthy diet to support your overall development. That's it for today's video on how to achieve forward growth of the jaw. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these techniques or have any questions. Until next time, keep improving and stay confident.